Can.
I can. Good morning, everyone.
Good
morning, Miss
Mia.
Today, we will talk about can. We use can like this. I can jump. I can run. Who wants to try?
I want to try.
Naomi, great. Go ahead.
I can dance.
Wonderful. Who's next?
Let me do it. I can cook.
That's amazing. What can you cook?
I can cook pancakes.
That looks good!
William, what can you do?
I can eat pancakes! I can eat everything!
My sister can hula hoop. My sister can hula hoop.
My brother can drive a car! My brother can drive a car!
My dog can play frisbee. My dog can play frisbee.
My dad can play the guitar! My dad can play the guitar!
Hi, Ava.
Hi.
What can I get for you?
Can I have one chocolate ice cream, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
Can I? I'll ask you with can I.
Okay,
Miss
Miss
Mia.
Mia.
Then Emily.
Yes, Miss Mia.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Miss Mia.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. Can I eat lunch here?
No problem.
Thank you. Okay, Naomi.
I'm ready.
Can I see your dog's pic?
Of course. Here you go.
Wow, how cute.
He can play frisbee. He can play frisbee.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
Hi, guys! Hi, Richard!
Hi.
Can I join you? Of course!
Why not?
Thank you!
Let's practice can more. Repeat after me. Can you swim?
Can you swim?
One more. Can you swim?
Can you swim?
Very good. Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
Good job. I can't.
Hey, Emily. Yes, Sarah? Can you eat carrots? Yes, I can. Joseph, how about you?
No, I can't. Can you eat carrots?
No, I can't. Help me.
Are you okay?
Mr. Davis, I can't get that book. Can you help me?
Of course. I can get it for you. Here you go.
Thank you.
Spelling of words. Next, let's practice new words. Ready with your paper and pencil. Which one do I want? Okay. I'll go with the dog. First, let's start with dog. This is a dog. Big letters are D-O-G. D-O-G. Small letters are D-O-G. D-O-G. Dog. What's next? Next is a car. Big letters are C-A-R. C-A-R. Small letters are C-A-R. C-A-R. Car. Great job! What's next? Next is the pancake. Big letters are P-A-N-C-A-K-E. P-A-N-C-A-K-E. Small letters are P-A-N-C-A-K-E. P-A-N-C-A-K-E. Pancake. Very good. Write it many times. Next. Here comes the next one. Which one do I want? Okay. I'll go with the ice cream. First is the ice cream. Big letters are ICECREAM. ICECREAM. Small letters are ICECREAM. ICECREAM. Ice cream. Great job. What's next? Next is the book. This is a book. Big letters are BOOK. BOOK. Small letters are BOOK. 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 Keep it up. What's next? Next is swim. She can swim. Big letters are SWIM. SWIM. Small letters are SWIM. 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 Well done! Today we learned about can. Can you eat carrots? Answer with yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Share it in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
See you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you.